back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. We're going to do a mushroom and cheese, or a mushroom Swiss. Let's have a look at that. Fantastic. I'm loving this. Beautiful gooey cheese. Lovely mushrooms. Let's have a taste. Mamma mia. Okay, so we're going to make a mushroom with cheese. I've got some mushrooms here, fresh white mushrooms, sliced nice and thin. Little bit of garlic, like 1 tablespoon. Little bit of onion, optional, but I like it in there. Cheese, you can use some sort of Swiss cheese. I'm using a Gouda. You could be using like an Emmentaler or something like that. Very simply, what we're going to do, we're just going to fry these mushrooms off with these onions, garlic, little bit of olive oil and black pepper. Okay, so I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. Let's drop our onions in. Let's drop our garlic in and our mushrooms. Probably got too much mushrooms here, but never mind. Little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. Now if you wanted, you could add another herb in here, some oregano or something. I'm keeping it just like this. We're going to fry these for about 4 minutes. We're on an above medium heat. Then they're done. Okay, 4 slices of bread. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. As you can see, I've got some butter on there. I actually had some melted butter and I brushed it on. You can spread it. That is the outside, so let's flip these over. And let's go. So, what I like to do is 1 piece of cheese, 1 piece of cheese, and then the mushroom mixture there. To spread that about. In fact, I think we've got a good amount of mushrooms here. So simply just get that spread out a little bit. And then I'm going to go 1 more piece of cheese. So we sandwich the mushrooms in cheese. And then we're going to put the lid on. The lid goes butter side up, off we go to the sandwich maker. Okay, so here I am at my sandwich maker. We're going to pop these on 1 and 2. Now I've got my sandwich maker on maximum heat. I like it on maximum heat. All sandwich makers are different, or grills, whatever you call them, or a press grill. But yeah, I'm going to come back in 4 to 5 minutes and these should look delightful. To open, let's have a look. Oh my God, lovely. Look at those. They look fantastic. That cheese is melting beautifully in there. What a lovely golden brown colour. Let's get them on the plate. They are looking supreme. Should we cut that open? They're super hot. Let's have a go here. Ooh, 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 ooh. They are going to be delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Toasty love.